We've got a massive dip. I just had to turn the stream on right now. I'm closing on the shorts and I warned every single one of you. I said, guys, we'll have a massive dip, and we just did. Let me just turn on all the settings for the live stream. I have all the shorts are profitable that I told you about. I just told you, like, in the stream, when was it, like an hour ago or less? This is the top, and we just got the top, managed to short it. Thank you to everyone that managed to join in. We'll actually wait for some volume, but both of my positions are now profitable. I'll be closing them. Let me know in the chat if you actually managed to take on some of them, because this is going to be I don't know how massive, but there's a warning from JPMorgan. There's a lot of information. Let me just set everything up real quick, because this is interesting. Let me know if you managed to short the coins that I told you. I was shorting EOS and ZIL. As you can see, my alarms just got triggered right here. I'm gonna wait a little bit until I sell the ZIL. Let me check EOS. EOS, I might sell it. Let me check. Okay, I'll wait a little bit more, because I think there's a little bigger crash coming, and I want to sell exactly at the dip. Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you just say hi in the chat if you are here. There's major news for JPMorgan. We'll talk about that as well. But there's going to be a crash, and I'm so happy we managed to cash in on it. Let me liquidate my ZIL position. I think I'm cool. Wow. I don't know if I should sell it right now or wait a little bit more. Say hi Sam, hi JD. Sorry, I'm just distracted because I'm trying to figure out where I want to close my positions at. The shorts. I think I'll close the ZIL right now. And then we'll go over the news, because we've got a lot of news right now. JPMorgan, I didn't manage to cover it yet. Hey YouTube, hey T, hey Kelvin, hey Mark. Anyone here actually listening to JPM? Sometimes we are. I'll tell you the news after I manage to close some positions. Okay, the JPM was a good one. We'll also live trade on my account. I actually have an account that I'm fully transparent on. We started at 5K. Now it's at 6.207. We're shorting, we're longing, we're not taking any leverage. Like the video, keep in mind that this is no financial advice. If you want to support the channel, use the exchanges I use using the links in the description down below. I'm sponsored by Bybit. You can actually trade using my link in the description down below, and you get a bonus. If you just deposit $100, you can see it below. I will also use Binance to buy and sell Shiba Inu. AMAs today for Shiba Inu. Are you excited? Yep, we are. But BTC, just following BTC right now, and BTC is crashing. That's why it's also crashing. I'm also keeping an Excel spreadsheet with the wins and losses from me trading. Currently, we are at an 80% win rate, 33 wins, 8 losses to make that 1.2K. Shibaswap will be live in a couple of days, hopefully. My YouTube grind is up to 3.35 subscribers now. I'm continuing the grind. Check out Sam Gangler's. One sec. Let me just show you his channel. He's a long-term subscriber. I'm just really bad with names. Check him out and subscribe just to help and support. I'll subscribe to him right now. Oh, this is the same thumbnail that I use, by the way, Sam. Oh, you're using the exact same How do you have the exact same thumbnails as me, Sam? There's very small changes. Actually, no changes on these ones. Shiba is going to the moon. Yes, it is, but we'll have a correction. Shibaswap will be live in a couple of days. Shibaswap is coming July 1st, I think. Let me know if you want me to check any specific coins. I'll go over every single coin that you tell me to check out. I will check it out. I'm here to serve you. So if you have any questions, let me know now. I'll go over everything. Let me also open up this real quick. Let's see if we can hit 200 viewers. Now, in your opinion, the price will reach 6 binance 0.0003606. I think it's probable. It all depends on how much dump we'll have on ShibaSwap when Coinbase listing is live. I'm looking into also buying this dip, so have my screen. I'll show you what I'm buying. And this is one of the things I want to tell you. I'm not interested in selling your course, selling you signals. I'll provide you with everything I buy my picks for free. So we'll check some stuff out right now. You're such an inspiration to YouTube and to me. Hey, glad to hear that, Sam. Okay, let me know if you want me to discuss any specific tokens. I'll be looking into some positions. I'll wait a little bit for Bitcoin to dip to this RSI, and I'll also liquidate my EOS position at a small profit. And then we'll look into buying the dip. I think we'll fall to 35,800. But let's see when. I have my alarms ready. Let's go over the news in the meantime while we wait. So first of all, I want to just give you a background story on what happened first. Like first, JPMorgan, they were all right. They said JPMorgan creates digital coin for payments, right? And they're testing it. They're having some volume with it. It was all good. But then, you know, they have the JPM coin. That's I think from February, yeah. But then JPMorgan to let clients invest in Bitcoin fund for first time, right? That's in April, I believe. Yes, April. By the way, like the video if you haven't already. We're at 12 likes. Let's get some likes. If we can get 20-30 likes, that would be great. ASAP. The faster we get them, the more viewers we can hit. If we can hit 200 viewers, so stay on for as long as I possibly can. I've got some water with me, some food, and I can stay for as long as you need me to. JPMorgan Chase is preparing to offer an actively managed Bitcoin fund to certain clients, becoming the largest if its CEOs well documented. But this is basically in altcoin season on the 26th of April. Just want to see how the market reacts, because someone says that this has this doesn't change a thing. And I also want to buy some SIA coin. I think, yep, I'm buying SIA coin. SIA coin. Market order done. Bought 3 grand worth of SIA coin. I'll also show you here in a sec, just so you know what trades I'm in. Just bought the SIA coin right here. This is just this is a community, basically Binance account that I'm just using to trade and show you every single trade that I take. Here it is. I have a margin trade that's not using any margin right now for a short, and I just bought 3 grand worth of SIA coin. We're up around 1.2k on the 5k account, on the community account right now. I've got my alarms ready for SIA coin. Keep up the great work. Thank you, man. Okay, let's continue with the JPMorgan news. So, oops, the balance just updated with $100. Yeah, 6240. We're up since the first stream because we had a few downs. We're up like $50 today. It's a bad day, but we're up like 1.2k for the last 5-6 days. Taking just day trades, maybe 20% of them were on stream. Again, I'm closing in on my shorts and I'm adding in some longs right now. I'm looking into liquidating the EOS position. Maybe I should have already. We'll talk about Shiba as well. Let me know in the comment section down below what coins do you want me to discuss. Let's continue with the JPMorgan news. JP Morgan Chase is preparing to offer an actively managed Bitcoin fund. We talked about that. So, but look how the sentiment changed here. Cryptocurrency market is healing, says JP Morgan strategist again. But look what we have now. Bitcoin daily. Nigerians queue to take crypto for free payments. JP Morgan bearish on Bitcoin. JP Morgan has said in a memo that he doesn't expect cryptocurrency to hold its value. CoinDesk reports. The memo said that the popular cryptocurrency currently worth 35 grand as of Thursday. I know it's 36-ish. BTC. And while the banking giant previously thought Bitcoin could spike to 140 grand, now it thinks that is off the table, as it thinks the full convergence of equalizations of volatilities and blah blah blah. They're just changing their opinion all the time. Be honest, can SHIB hit 0.1 cent? Yes, if we get a lot of burns, but it wouldn't. I mean, don't count on 1 cent. Like, even if we go up 5 times, there'll be so massive sell-offs. If we actually go to Shiba Inu right now, right here, you can see that people are taking profits. And the reason they're taking profits here is that when we had the Coinbase listing news, we hit this rate. These were the news. And as soon as we hit it again, we're basically forming a cup and handle pattern. If you don't know what that is, it's pretty much this. It can mean we're going up right after that. Idiot, I won't subscribe to your channel. Thank you for unsubscribing, Aliyu Nura. Let me know, why do you think I'm an idiot? I'm just telling you, I just told you we'll have a dip an hour ago and now it's happening. And if you manage to sell, that's good. I said I'll short some stuff on stream for free. I'm sharing all this information. If you want to maximize your profits, you will definitely take advantage of taking profits and then buying dips. Because when you're tethered up, if you manage to sell here, tether up, now you can buy it back in at maybe at this area and say, if you know what, 15% or something. Which I would always bank for. Then I'll have 50% more Shiba. Don't you want to have more Shiba? It's okay if you don't. So yeah, JP Morgan, I don't care about JP Morgan's opinion. Right now Shiba is definitely in a good spot. If you actually go on CoinMarketCap and check the most searched cryptocurrencies, I think we are number 2, which is good. We've been number 1, 2 for a while. We were number 6 last week, so number 2 this week and number 1 is pretty good, pretty healthy. Hey Gandalf, thank you for liking, guys. We went from 11 likes to 18. That's great. Can we get 20 right now? Can you like the video? This will help me out a lot. The portfolio is still at 6,250 bucks. Let me know in the chat, how much do you think, how long will it take me to get 10k with this portfolio? It's fully transparent. I'll just trade it, you know, on the stream, and maybe you can also spot some of the trades I do. And join me. Maybe I can do more streams if we get more likes and more viewers. I can do like 2 or 3 a day. Because I'm working from home. Basically, I'm trading. I have an e-commerce business, so I'm home like 9% of the time. So I can show you more trades, do more live day trading. What else can we see here? Let's check the SHIB army. Reddit. We still have no news from Coinbase Pro. Normally they tweet at around 1 hour from now, around lunchtime, New York time. So we'll see if we'll get something live. We have 19 likes. Someone liked the video just now. Thank you. Personally, thank you for doing that. I've seen Shitoshi Kusama tweet a little bit, and when it's Shitoshi, we're all Shitoshi. What coincidence? Well, I'll tell you. Oh, I had an early birthday with bottle service. Oh, yeah, he's joking that he's Elon because Elon has a birthday today. Elon Musk. Certic. Are we? Or ship? We're thrilled to present SHIB Certic AMA. That's a few days ago. And the stream is 4 p.m. Eastern. So 4 p.m. EST. That's 11 p.m. my time. So that's in 4 hours from now. Maybe we can stream together, but we're waiting for it. The issue is, look, I really like these ideas, but the issue is, you know, the SNL with Elon Musk, where Doge just crashed like 30% or something during the SNL. So the issue is that big money likes to sell on events like this. Let me just show you something. I just want to be honest with you and provide you with all the information, not just FUD you, not just, you know, hype you up. I'm holding Shiba. I want the price to hit 1 cent. I will be very happy if it does. But let me just show you what happened with during the SNL show. This is what happened with from 69 cents to 47 cents. That's insane. What is this drop, by the way? Price range. If you from here to here, that's a 30% drop, easily over 30% drop, and then you know, that so many liquidations. It's bad. It's definitely bad. Let me know in the chat what currencies do you want me to go over, and I'll check them out. Let's see how the community portfolio is doing. Yeah, nothing special. We're still waiting for the BTC dip. It's had a small recovery, but believe me, it's going down right now. There's very low loss that we just jumped from here. The RSI was really high. I'm waiting for a dip, maybe to here or something before an increase. I managed to buy some things from this drop. Again, I managed to buy SIA, and we managed to buy it just at the top. I told you guys this is a good entry. We bought in pretty much here. And I'll probably sell around here. It's a small swing trade because this is what we're part of what we're doing right now. 41 views, let's go. 21 likes. Can we get more likes? Enjoying your broadcast. I've been wanting to understand how you day trade. Oh, that's great, Anika. So look, this is my strategy, right? And again, the idea, I want to say it again, this is no financial advice. Like and subscribe. I'm doing all of this for free for you guys. So my strategy, and I'll teach you everything I know for free. No signals, no paid courses, no nothing. So pretty much my strategy is the following. I have alerts for RSI. Bitcoin goes to a level that it has been at, RSI wise, 68, not really, maybe 70. Where if it goes here, if I have some longs, I'll look into possibly liquidating them. There's more confirmations that I'm waiting for. If it drops here, I'll look for more entries, more cryptocurrencies that I can buy. How do I find them? I have a screener, is the TradingView screener. You pay like 15 bucks to use it. I have a few presets for 30 and for 70 RSI. This is how I find possible trades. I don't take all of them. Then when I find something that has below 30 RSI, for example, if I want to go long, then I see if it's in a pattern to be in a long. For example, major support areas, that's the best thing that I can do, or just upwards trend, just like this. Or, you know, you can also have a confirmation with the moving averages. Something very important is that you should never trade breakouts with this pattern. For example, if you have 20 RSI but it has no support, it can go, you know, the RSI can go a little bit up and then crash again to 20 RSI, and you know, you can lose 30% and still be at 20 RSI. So that's pretty much how I do it. I also don't sell based on price targets. I sell based on RSI targets. So I have RSI targets here, and when I have the alert, I'll open up my phone, check how the prices are, how the price action is, and then based on that, I'll draw a conclusion on whether or not I'll sell. And with this strategy, I'm trying to test it. Started with 5 grand last week, and we're at 6,240. We had a small drop. Yesterday, we finished the day up with 6.5. We made some losses though, some mistakes. My dog is waving his. Can you see my dog? One sec. Can you see my dog? Can you see his tail? Basically here. Let me show you something. Can you see him? He's waving his tail. As if he's seeing something, but there's nothing there. It's weird. Is he seeing a ghost? Shiba is never gonna hit 1 cent, guys. Yeah. Market. It's the market cap, guys. The only way we get Shiba Inu to 1 cent if the market cap, if they burn a lot of Shiba Inu. Let's try and stay positive, everyone. Yep, positive all the way. It can, and it will hit 1 cent. Do the math. I think we can, but probably not this year. We already did the math on 1 cent. We require some burning. There's a lot of Shiba Inu burned already. Vitalik burned, you know, a bunch, like 8 bill worth, and then donated 1 bill or something. I forgot. We made a video on it a while ago. The question right now is just, you know, the shibaswap, the AMA kind of, the Coinbase listing, eToro listing, and overall win behind our backs. If we actually manage to get BTC to stay with us, help us out, that would be good. That would be decent. Oops. That would be pretty decent. And BTC is just staying in its range. It's playing in its lane, and the lane is this. And the issue here with this pattern and with this current bounce from the 30k mark is, yes, I do believe we'll hit 40k, but I think we'll have a small dip here. The issue with this bounce is that first it mimicked this pattern, but after that it had a quicker sell-off, meaning market people that managed to buy the dip started taking profits right here, or people that were really scared that bought here, here on these small highs or on these highs. Whenever they saw a small spike, they started liquidating their positions. So this is a very big issue right now, and it's basically the fear in the market. You can also see it because the BTC dominance is still pretty high. We pretty much charted it yesterday. We said, look guys, we knew this will do. Oh, whoa. Look at this. We charted it perfectly. We were here yesterday's stream, 6 p.m. my time, so probably like 10 a.m. your New York time or whatever, lunchtime New York time. And look at that. We said BTC dominance will do this, and this, and it's doing it perfectly. And it will go down. I said if we break 40k, or if we stay in this range, but we have less uncertainty, not very big dips. We don't want 20% dips. So cute. Yeah. What about Mana? Okay, we'll talk about Mana. Let me know if you want any cryptocurrencies covered. We'll cover them within this stream. Any cryptocurrency that you want me to talk about, we'll go over. Let's check a little bit more about Mana. 64 viewers, 26 likes. Guys, like the video. Let's get 30 likes. It will really help me out. I'm doing all of this for free. I'm doing, you know, giving you signals, giving you my trading strategies. 73 viewers. What? We'll hit 100. If you guys like the video, we'll get to 100. Dr. Niki makes YouTube a fantastic place to be. Oh, Sam, you're too nice. Decentraland, Mana is a great project, by the way. 54 cents up 6%, volume 39 mil, market cap 800 mil, which is like 5%, 120, right? market cap to volume. That's healthy. 82 viewers. We'll hit 100 in a little bit. Okay, let's check mana. If you want any other tokens analyzed and just my opinion, my 2 cents on them, let me know in the comment section. Let me check the daily chart first, and then we'll draw some conclusions. BTC dominance just exactly what we projected it to be. And 1 hour ago I said we're getting a small crash, and we did. Almost at 100 viewers, yeah, and basically the max we got was 189 2 days or 3 days ago. So I think we can beat that tonight with this stream. We're at 24 minutes in the stream. If we can go for another hour. Hi my friend, God bless this community. Oh, hey man, how's it going? Yep, it is. It's the best one. The best one. You guys are the best. Mana. Okay, so let's talk about mana. Perfect timing to buy it, if you ask me. So here's why. Breakout pattern right here. And normally when you have, and I always say that. I know I always say that, but it's very important. When you have a breakout pattern just like this, normally the way people trade these breakout patterns is they'll place a long position. If it breaks this price, maybe a butterfly order or just a limit order with a stop loss basically around this level, and a take profit of whatever the depth is. So from 7 cents to 40 cents, easily like 30-40 cents. Probably here is what people target, just below the $1 area for 2.1 risk to reward. And then it's a high conviction play as well, because it's a breakout pattern. So after this, trades like this this resistance becomes support, as you can see here. But it also becomes resistance if you drop below it. So right now it's support. We retracted from the 36 cent area back to 54, and I do believe mana it's just having its first green days. It would be very good. Last time it got a retracement. It couldn't retrace above. For example, right now if we project it like this, it will go here. But the question is, what will we do here, right? Will we go up, or will it go down from here? Right now it's a high conviction play to buy it at 52 cents and sell it for 64, right? To make 20% or something like this. But if you're holding it, what will we do after? And I think all that matters right now is whether or not BTC is on a head and shoulders pattern. If we manage to break the resistance of 41k, we're going up. What is your feeling on SafeMoon? Okay, let's talk about SafeMoon. SafeMoon, I've always had this feeling about SafeMoon, as you said, the word feeling, that it's a good token. It's a meme token. Meme tokens thrive under market conditions like this. The SafeMoon I own on Gate.io is I liquidated my SafeMoon. I think this is affiliate. 480 grand worth of SafeMoon. This should be affiliates. What I am stocking from Gate.io is GT token, by the way, if you're wondering. SafeMoon, this was the play from 22 cents when it dipped to here, and there's major resistance coming up at the 37 area, and we just hit it. We talked about it like a few hours ago, maybe a day ago, and it said there's going to be resistance here, and it just managed to hit it. When we talked about it, we were at 320, and it basically respected this resistance. I think we might drop. I would buy SafeMoon, but at a lower price, if that's what you're asking. Because look, for SafeMoon to be good, you need a BTC dominance to drop. And if BTC dominance isn't dropping, it's because people are not feeling very safe. And when you have BTC dominance going down, meme coins really thrive during times like this. What do you think? How much Shiba Inu is gonna hit? Morning Star, hello. First, good morning. If you're in the United States, should be morning for you. It's late. It's night for me. It's 7:13 p.m. So Shiba Inu, I think right now we'll have a we're already having the retracement. I don't know if it's the right time to sell if you didn't manage to take your profits. I think that Shiba Inu will hit the 1200 mark and also the 1700 mark. The only question is when. This dip is from the Coinbase listing news on the 15th of June. 16th they said it won't happen. That's why we dropped. I think we'll hit 1200 very soon, maybe even tonight. I don't know. I'm looking into buying dips. If we can get a dip right now in BTC, that would be totally worth it. Just during the stream, we had people buying in again for, you know, a 2-3% increase. So if you manage to buy here, you'll make 2 or 3%. Let me check. I'm actually trying to show all of the comments, because some are, maybe someone is insulting someone, but I'll show all the comments and then I'll read them. Moon. What's the future of Shiba Inu? Is it good to invest? Yeah, Shiba Inu is good, in my opinion. Moon, it's a shit coin, but I believe it's going up. Can you look at it? I'll check it out. Let me just check everything, Matteo. Can you remind me about it like 5 minutes? In 5 minutes, I just want to see, because there's a lot of comments right now. Why would you take profits now on SHIB? Paper hand, seriously, I have been in this crypto blockchain world since 2020 and you definitely are still learning. Patience is the key. Yep, I agree 1%. I'm actually here for a long time as well. I can show you my empty GOX account that I've registered. I've signed up. I've had BTC at $70. I didn't hold because I have an e-commerce business. I hold on to some of it in 2017. I've survived a lot of bull and bear markets. My strategy is I'm not a paper handler. I'm just selling and taking profits and buying in on dips. For example, I told you guys to sell last time on the Coinbase new listing around here. If you manage to sell around here or even around here, you could have bought back in at 550 and have like 30-40% more Shiba. So that's my strategy. 1% in you, right? We're learning. I'm trying to learn a lot of things. It's just my strategy, right? But Shiba Inu, I think we're gonna have massive returns, and definitely when you're taking profits, don't sell all your Shiba Inu, because we're gonna hit the 1200 and the 1700, I think, very soon. When are they launching shibaswap? We don't know. They said they will have news during the weekend. We didn't. Shiba BSC token is leaking on pancakeswap today. Yep. We actually talked about it. Music. I think it's in 4 hours from now. A little bit. Oh, 81 viewers. Thanks, guys. Look for on July 1st. Yep. Someone saying it's on July 1st. Randy, it's not FUD. We are having a small correction, mainly on BTC. I really hope that Shiba continues to go up. I just think it's smart to take profits along the way. Ivan, in what crypto should I invest in your opinion? I have around $300 to reserve. I think you should buy Shiba Inu, but wait for a small dip, because right now it's just peaking. And it's peaking in a very rapid way, which is not super healthy. I think people will start taking profits again here. But if we actually break the 950 area, we might see 1200 today. You have to do your own research. Exactly. By the way, if you're new and don't have, that much money to invest, something smart that you can do is just go on coinmarketcap.com and just find the new cryptocurrencies. And see what cryptocurrencies are going up and are just listed. If you like them and you learn how to buy them on pancakeswap, you can buy them for pennies on the dollar. Something else that you can do that's really smart is actually going on Google Trends. And all you gotta do is go on Google Trends and type in token, for example, token, right? Go on United States best day, shibaswap release date. This is the most searched. The most searched cryptocurrency token term right now is shibaswap release date. Tell me that shibaswap is not going to do, Shiba is not going to do when it's going. But right now, as you can see, the Merlin token is something hot. The iron titanium token, I don't know if that's a good play. CRV token, world mobile token, that's trending again. It was trending before as well. So if you want to find trending tokens, you can actually search Google Trends. Let's check the chat again. Thank you, great for foot crash. Randy, thank you. Gratitude for your service. Thanks to everyone, each and every one of you that are still in the stream. It really helps out. If we can get more concurrent viewers, we can actually hit 100 in a few minutes. Not saying it will, but there are indications that it will in version 2 wolf paper. So at least on the day begin to look for it. Oh, that's good, Doc. Thanks a lot for the insight. If you have any insight information, or just insightful information because you did your homework, please share it with the community. We all love to learn. Take profits in the shibaswap now. It's time to get as much shib as you can. You are right, Randy. Well, just the way I find the moon. What's the difference between Shiba Inu and shibaswap? Look, shibaswap is basically the utility. You'll be able to stake it. There will be some look, let me show you. Shiba Inu is basically the token, but shibaswap is their utility or their exchange. The reason you want to have Shiba Inu. SHIB, Leash, and Bond, they're the cryptocurrency basically under one umbrella, come together to create ShibaSwap, the next evolution in DeFi platforms. ShibaSwap gives users the ability to dig or provide liquidity, bury, stake. I really like the terms they're using. Swap tokens again, wolf returns through our sophisticated and innovative passive income reward system. Our platform also allows SHIB Army to access upcoming NFTs and additional tools such as portfolio trackers, which really cool, by the way. But this is something everyone needs because you probably have some money here, some money there, maybe even 2 accounts on the same exchange for different things. To make navigating the crypto world simple and intuitive, we really need a lower tier, a beginner friendly experience in the crypto world, and I think ShibaSwap will deliver on it. The issue is they pretty much said it, all the testings were done, guys. They were just done on the 20th of June, which is like 9 days ago, and now we have, certical onboarding. This is the audit report. You can read a lot of things on their website. If you want to invest, definitely do your own due diligence around it. Let me check. What just doing? Ship to the moon just started rising now. Yep, it is. Thoughts on Shiba? Will it reach? Yes, it will tonight or tomorrow. It might reach tonight because we're waiting. There's like 4 hours or less now, 3 hours and a half until their live stream. Ship is going up right now. Yep, it is. Clickbait. What do you mean clickbait? I mean, all journalism is clickbait. I'm just trying to, Shiba Inu coin just crashed a lot because people are taking profits. Like, this is a crash. This is a 10% dip. This is a serious dip. And we will have another dip because of BTC, not because of Shiba Inu. You will see Shiba Inu going down before it goes up right now. And I'm not happy about it. I'm just, telling you my perspective from the technical analysis. And I told you that BTC would dip. I told you that Shiba would dip like 2 hours ago on the stream. I'm just trying to help you guys and help you. What did JPMORGAN say? They were very bullish on crypto, but now they're saying Bitcoin won't reach 150K and it's crashing. That's something, it just came out like in the last 24 hours. They just basically changed their view on cryptocurrency, but it's also temporary. They changed their minds a lot. Is it hype coin? Nothing profit for poor people. New brother wrong. No, brother. No, Shiba Inu is really good. It's a meme coin, but it's basically an army. It's a community. It's not just a coin. Leash is the big runner. My 1.43 leash is now worth 5 grand. Congrats, Doc. Michael Berry. For those wanting to know how Shiba Inu hit 0.1 or 1 cents, read the wolf paper. Okay, that's a good idea, Michael. Thanks, man. Really appreciate it. Clickbait. Phil, hey, Phil, profit only for whales. Oh, well, it depends. Leash past Ethereum. Yep, in price, market cap will need some time. Shiba to the moon, baby. Yep. 927. I'm no whale. Whales hold in the trillions. Yep, they do. By the end of the year 22. Woohoo. 260 mil and holding. Where's your technical analysis? Can you show how to look for coins on Google Trends again? Yep, I will, Rob. And technical analysis, I mean, just check the last 30 minutes of this video and the last stream. I'll do it again, don't worry. Because Rob, I'll help you out right now, and then we can go to the technical analysis again for Shiba Inu, because some of you guys are tuning in at different times and maybe you missed something. I'll help you out. So you want to go on googletrends.com, just like so, right? And normally it will look like this. What I do is first I change this to United States, or just type in the token, the crypto or token. You can do both. That's what I normally do. Do token, change this from past months to past day, change this from your country to United States, just like so. Search all categories, web search, not YouTube search, web search, go down and check what's rising. This is basically like a breakout, but see it like a chart, but don't check this that much for the day. What you're interested in is the rising or top. Token, coin, crypto coin, Shiba token. So if someone is interested in tokens, the number one is Shiba. And it's also easy to see because when you go on CoinMarketCap, if you just type in most viewed right here, most views, you can see that Shiba Inu is number 2, which is really good. It's number 1, number 2. Last week we were number 6, so the interest is definitely is here. Was holding trillions. Fact token is most searched in the world. Really? Morningstar, where did you get the information? I'm really curious. Thank you for the information. I'll look into it, but can you let me know where you found that? No crash, stop it. We'll see. Cynthia, 11 million Shibas. Not much, but a little profit. I'm glad for you, Rita. I think if you hold on to it, it might double in the next few weeks. Our chat, but bull flag. 500 mil holding, that's like 4.6 grand, right? This BS FUD video targeting SHIB, shame on you. I'm holding a lot of SHIB as well, cool beans. I'm just telling you that I'm taking profits so I can buy more Shiba. And I told you guys we'll have a dip. We sold and we bought, but we actually bought some SIA during this dip. So we're adding in more volume. When you actually manage to take profit at the top and sell after that, it's good, and it's always been good. And it's easy to spot trades just like this, because when you go on the daily chart, you can see massive resistance obviously at the 1200 and the 1700 price points. But basically when we had the Coinbase news, Coinbase listing news, we had a retracement from here all the way to here. And normally when you hit prices of the same level, at the same prices at the 915, 900-ish area, you can expect people to take profits. But I think we'll have a cup handle pattern, which means we're going to be going up from here, but we'll see more about that later. Thanks, I appreciate the info. Thanks, Rob, no problem. You think will we hold the new range of BTC 36 to 38k? I don't think there's a new range. I think we will the main range, but that's my opinion, man. Joe, will BTT hit $1? Okay, we'll talk about BTT. So look, if we just go on the 8-hour chart, right? There's a support and resistance. The most important thing here isn't just going above 40k. It's not going below 30k, so we don't get a skin and shoulders pattern. Then we're all there. BTC bull run will be over. We don't want that. The most important thing here is holding the 30k area, so we can trade in this range while BTC dominance is going down. I'm not sure if we'll hold. I think we'll have a dip from here. Just based on how the whole dip worked out. People took profits way too early compared to last dip. That's just my opinion. Will BTT hit $1? I have no immediate opinion, but to hit $1, it has to 500x, so that's gonna be hard, right? 1, 2, yeah, 500x. Shiba Inu 1 cent. Hopefully, maniac. Bitcoin is going up right now. Yes, it is, but we took a position because it's going up. When BT went down, SIA went down, and we managed to buy SIA right here at the dip, at the lower side areas. I think we'll have another dip here, especially if we don't break the 36,500. I think we'll dip to 35, at least 35 500. That's what I think. Coin collector. Thanks to everyone that tuned in. We gotta wait right now to see if we will break above or below the range. I'll start the stream again if something happens. If we get the AMA sooner, I'll also start the stream. I think there's going to be massive action for Shiba Inu in the north side, meaning it will go up in next 3 hours, 3 hours and 30 minutes with the 30K AMA live stream, all that jazz. If you are new, subscribe. I want to see again. I don't want the YouTube overlords to decide when we meet again. I want you to see again in another video.